What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome back to welcome back to my kitchen, Lord. Okay, as you can tell from the title, your girl is going to try vegan crab cakes. How to make vegan crab cakes. Again, I like to get with the vegan people because, I can feel some air. Yeah, I can feel a little bit. Because they support my channel just like everyone else, even though they don't eat my food. And so I want to give back to them. So I researched and saw different recipes, and pretty much I found out what it takes to make these crab cakes. And I'm going to do it just like I do my crab cakes, but just with the ingredients that you need for vegans. And right here, I had 2 jars, and it looked just like crab meat. It smelled like crab meat. 2 jars of marinated artichokes. You drain the juice off. But save you some of the juice. You need it like right here. Need a tablespoon of that juice. I'm gonna place it in here. I chopped it up. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar. I got some vegetable oil, canola oil. I'm turning my grease down a little bit. That's popping. Ready to go. A teaspoon of lemon juice. This right here is chickpea flour. A 1/2 cup of chickpea flour. Again, this is all about seasoning and taste and everything. Some Old Bay seasoning. I can't say how many teaspoons. I'm going to say this is about maybe 4 teaspoons. You want to get that taste. And I have to do pepper and everything. About a teaspoon of pepper. Vegan mayonnaise. A 1/2 cup of vegan mayonnaise.
Yeah, vegan mayonnaise.
Yes, $8 on Amazon. I gotta make some vegan potato salad since I got so much left. And I'm gonna go in with some breadcrumbs.
Is that vegan too?
No.
Oh, okay.
This plain breadcrumbs, about 1 cup of breadcrumbs. And just your regular old mustard, a teaspoon of mustard. And I'm going in with the hands, they've been washed. And I'm going to do the way I do my crab cakes.
I have a feeling T will call.
No, I told T I was making a video.
Okay.
Sure, but Ben not called me.
Ben not called.
And the texture is there. Yeah, look at this. Look like crab meat, y'all. It really do. I got about like 1.5 cups of oil cooking here. And it doesn't even need to go. I'm just going to go ahead. The way I do crab cakes. It's very sticky.
Very messy.
Very messy. A nice size. Hey, if this don't come out right, that means you guys didn't see the video. I turned it down. Remember. Pray with me. It's sticky.
It's gonna come out right.
I might be making them a little too big. It depends on how big you like them.
Do some like crab.
Yeah. And that texture. So sticky. I'm going to do 4 at a time. I'm going to mix some more up. Let me wash my hands. We'll be right back to flip them when they're golden brown. About a good 3 minutes on each side. Okay, guys, we're back. Let's see. Let's flip our crab cakes. Oh, yes. That one's trying to come apart on me. May put just a little bit too much grease, but I don't know. That'll be a little bit crispy. Yeah, this is my first time making them, but I'm trying to make them just like I make my crab cakes. Make sure that grease is nice and hot.
Yeah, yeah.
Brandon said, yeah.
No.
And I forgot, these are marinated artichokes. Marinated artichokes, guys. I could have used a little bit, maybe a little bit more mayonnaise. I only used half a cup of mayonnaise and a cup of what's this? Plain breadcrumbs. But hey, when we come back, guys, I'm gonna finish up these last 3, and I'm gonna plate them and let you guys see the end result. Okay, guys, we're back, and I am finished the last of my crab cakes. And just like my crab cakes, sometimes they break up. Maybe don't use as much grease in the pan. I think it's about maybe a cup and a half of grease, guys. Only use maybe a cup of grease just so that your crab cakes do not stick. Oh, what I do, Brandon?
Nothing.
Okay. But hey, I mean, this is my version of how to make vegan crab cakes, guys. They look delicious. Remember, marinated artichokes, 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon, about 3 or 4 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, a teaspoon of pepper, a cup of breadcrumbs, a half a cup of mayonnaise, and chop up those artichokes and do what you do. This is it. Like, share, subscribe. Next video, McLovin juice. We're about to make that video and eat with these crab cakes. Yes, we are. We're out, Soul Squad. This is my cup, guys. This is my McLovin juice, a good cocktail for any get-together, any barbecue, even day that you're chilling on your patio. Let me taste the ice and cold.